what's good, guys? It's your boy Keaton here, and I am so excited because it's finally time for episode 2 of Wishbusters, the show where basically I go on this site called Wish. You might have heard of it. Drop a like if you have. And basically, I spend a bunch of money and hopefully stuff shows up. It's a little risky and dicey. Stuff basically on Wish is super cheap. It's the stuff you find on Instagram or Facebook ads, and the catch is sometimes you're waiting like a month for it to come. So we're gonna put it through the test. Hop on wish.com and see what we find. Also check the iCard if you guys missed episode 1. It was a banger, you guys crushed it, and we hit like 50,000 likes. And basically the catch in there was if we hit a certain goal, I would buy this crazy $500 gas-powered scooter. It was insane, that video is crazy. That's up in the iCard, that's also in the description. I actually survive a ride on this guy. Whew. You can hear that. It does not sound good. I'm gonna stop plugging. We're gonna go on Wish. We're gonna plug Wish up with some money. Awesome, so we are on wish.com. You guys let me know in the comments how you guys feel. Make sure you follow us on Instagram if you wanna see a sneak peek on the Insta story. We do drop these. This is like the most requested episode we have. What is that? That's like a hidden camera? $14, because you know they hook it up on the low. That is crazy. So like, where do you put it? I don't even wanna know. Well, actually for 17 bucks, this says CCTV, which it sounds legit, has Wi-Fi built in, HD camera, and I get it for 15 bucks. If I buy with Rasen, let me buy with you. All right, let's read some comments here. Arrived well early, thanks. I love the item, great purpose in my line of work. James, what does that mean? That is the sketchiest thing I've ever heard. Ryan, nice for the price. Ryan gets it. That's why we're here. All right, so overall, 3.5 stars. Sure, I'll give you 15 bucks. All right, so item 1's in the cart. We're at 15 bucks. That's nothing yet. Let's see what else is good. What catches my eye? You see a lot of interesting up-and-coming products on sites like these. What kind of phone is that? What? That's super trippy. It's a fidget spinner phone. I can't believe it. For 23 bucks? I'm kind of curious. Maybe another episode? Yes. That is awesome. Slow your roll, Keaton. Find something else. What is this? A robot floor mopping sweeper mop auto cleaning remover dust. I didn't even say the full product name. Buy with Shaquita for 45 bucks versus 50. Shaquita, thanks for the savings. Appreciate you, fam. Are there any rating? Oh my. Packaging 20 minutes ago. This product's selling like hotcakes. It is 2.5 stars. Packaging was nice. My item came early, 13 days. All right, Channy, let's buy it. All right, so we're on the main page now. Let's try to go into one of these categories and see what's up. Phone upgrades for $6. What is this? It's like a case for your Note 8, okay? Wireless chargers. I'll give it to them. I really will. They do have some interesting upgrades here. Not bad. Really cheap wireless chargers. Basically, they're giving them away. They're free. I think I could find something cool if I looked hard enough. Wow, what is this? This is what I'm talking about. You're gonna find something interesting somewhere on this site. It is a One Piece Technologies Lovers educational props toy. Manipulator, palm, synchronous, hand Bluetooth control. For 217 bucks. They want $195 if I buy it with Ardella. Ardella, what are you doing? Hopefully you're making a video like me because you're goofing. You are straight goofing around. I can't buy this for this video. This is kind of expensive, basically 200 bucks. So drop a like on this video. I got a new goal. It's a little bit more than the last video. If you guys really like the series and you want us to keep it going, keep hitting the goals. 30,000 likes, I'll buy this. We'll check it out. Wow. All right, enough fooling around. I think I found something I'm interested in. So smartwatches and Wish are a big deal. That's kind of how this app blew up. You can get a smartwatch for like $5 sometimes. So GSM phone, smartphone with camera, Bluetooth wristwatch, SIM card, smartwatch for iOS and Android. 22 bucks. I buy it with Peggy. 19. All right, rating's gotta be good. 4 stars, 4,000 reviews. Comes early, comes girly, was a gift. Nice for the price. All right, let's buy that. 19 bucks. They're basically giving away AirPods for free. Next episode. I think next episode, if we hit that goal, we're gonna do an entire video on free stuff you could cop for no money. All right, let's get real. I think this is as real as it gets. A microphone set, 32 bucks. Kelly wants it, fast shipping, haven't tried it. Why are you even writing a review? Little static, but distance is amazing. All right, so apparently I can't buy it with Kelly, but I can get the US plug, the EU plug, the UK plug, or the AU plug. That's so funny. All right, back to the home page. What is this, a 5D screen protector? Is that a butterfly coming off the screen? Oh, it's basically just curved, and there's a knife going in it. That's cool. I'm shocked I don't see any like YouTube thumbnails or anything like just on here. Oh, this game case is sick. Oh, this is sick. For $9, you can have a Nintendo case on your phone. That's rad. Ratings are solid, I bet. 4.5 stars. Next episode, I bet I can find one for free. I bet you I can. Okay, so this is kind of interesting. It's an air furniture, foldable gas, lazy sofa bed, sunshine beach, blow up chair, park sleeping, airbag environment. Just kidding, I can't read. Equipment, waterproof for travel. Basically a hammock that you can lay anywhere. 16 bucks, 14 if I buy it with Abby. 4 stars, 500 people have rated this. This thing is amazing, comfortable, and huge. It was easy to set up, great color, a little hard to get filled with air. Yeah, I'll take the risk. With the big one, give me the big boy. Get it in, we're gonna get it in navy blue. 17 bucks. Add that thing to cart. How many items do we got? I think we're at 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the total for this video was $230. Got a few deals in there. I can't believe it. So drop a like if you guys want that hand to happen. I'm gonna order this. I'll let you guys know how long it takes. That's the whole thing with Wish, am I right? Hopefully it all shows up. Let's do this. So it took about 3 weeks, but everything and some bonuses actually showed up. So we only ordered 5 items, but as you guys can see, there are 6 items here. So Wish actually threw one in. We'll check that out at the end. So the first thing I wanna see is this dual channel microphone, some static at a distance, I remember. What, you get 2 microphones? That's sweet, okay. Looks sort of promising. Put the antennas up. I think I'm secretly in love. My only thought is, it does need a speaker cable, so I'm not getting a speaker. I know new mixtape's about to drop. Young Keaton here. Check, check, yo, pop, pop, piggity, piggity, pop, pop. Check, check, check it out. What's it all about? It's, I'm gonna say it works. So for item number 2, I don't remember what this was, but there's really only one way to find out, right? If you guys wanna check out anything in this video, I'll leave a link down below, by the way. What did I order? Some massager? I have no idea. Oh, the vacuum. Oh God, this thing. It looks like it's a champion already. What is that? That is some nice soft, I won't be cleaning your carpet anytime soon fabric. Cookie Monster. Hey, let me eat up all your stuff on your floor. See if this works. You're kidding me. Do you think it will get out? Do you, like, what over under right now, will it get out? So some dirt's been laid down. Maybe, where are you going, dog? You haven't done a thing. You've just moved the dirt. The dirt's over here. Nice job, winner. So I think this thing is not actually a vacuum, but it's just more of like a mop or a duster to keep the house nice and A1. A little disappointed, because now I got dirt everywhere. I guess that's why we do this, so you know you don't lose 17 bucks. So for item 3, it's a smartwatch. Always curious to check these out. Works with Android and iOS. All right, looks kind of decent. I mean, they're all pretty much the same at just different prices, right? Kind of nice. Has a camera right at the top. Kind of looks like one of the Samsung Gear watches. Can't beat that. Can't beat that at all. So here it is, the $15 smartwatch. Let's see what it's got. Bluetooth dialer, messaging. You can put a SIM card in here and it will work. Pedometer. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And it's saying only 4 steps. What else? Find me. That's kind of cool. Of course we can work the camera on here. That's so sick. Bam. That's a nice sneak shot. I can see you. Facebook's on here. Of course Facebook's on here. They're everywhere. Twitter, WhatsApp. Man, this thing's got everything. Definitely a win. Item 4 is kind of interesting. It's that spy cam that I first checked out at the beginning portion of this video. What's up with this? So, mini USB to charge. Looks super delicate. It has Wi-Fi and an app. Where could you put this? Anywhere. So this is what it looks like. You have your battery, Wi-Fi module, and then your camera right there. Wow. Put this on a car. What are these caps? Are these like camera caps? Mic caps? I feel like an actual spy right now. Should I go work for the US government? Awesome, so you could just hot glue this cap on. Dude, that's so sick. So like this, it looks like a screw. Well, unfortunately, the white box didn't work. I'm gonna try to find a better spy cam, just trust me on that. So for item 5, it's that hammock, that air hammock. This looked awesome. Reviews were amazing. Oh, what the heck? So what do I have to fill this with air? Run around, fill this with air, and that's how it gets inflated? It's like a tarp. Literally, it's a tarp. I need some more wind. All right, so here it is filled up. Was kind of a struggle. I had to go on a highway to do this. There's just no freaking way. Yeah, there's no way. I'm getting lost in this. Luxury, dog. So luxurious. Maybe on a beach, but this thing can't hold anything. And last, this isn't something we ordered or asked for, but I think Wish knows I'm a big spender and threw in a speaker. Maybe it was to compensate for the broken spy cam. I don't know who sent this. It just showed up. So let's try this out. This thing looks like it's been through a war. Look at the USB port. It's just mangled. It's so like crappy. I almost want to break it. What's up, What's Inside viewers? It's Keaton here. What's up, Dan and Lincoln? Basically did this one for you. It's a crappy speaker. I know why they probably threw it in. No one ordered it. So yeah, guys, that's gonna do it for episode 2 of Wishbusters. Make sure you drop a like. If we hit 30,000 likes, make sure to get that hand. Make sure you get subscribed just by clicking the circle button, and check out my last video right over there. Follow us on Instagram. That's where you'll see sneak peeks of the next Wishbusters. Peace.